Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be exploring Morocco, Tangier here, and this is a place that you must visit if you ever came to Tangier. For friends who are not familiar with here, it is just beside Spain at the most north part of Morocco, and at here there's this whole cannon that is like over 100 years old. It is built on this famous place. This area is called Terrasse de Paresseux, a French name which actually means a place that is for lazy place to chill. We'll be hunting for a Morocco-based pizza here, some high tea, and of course local Moroccan sweets. So let's keep watching and let me show you what is the awesome place of here. Right now, we have entered the streets and the first stop here is this vendor. This is a place that looks like a Moroccan-based pizza. It's flaky, oily, stuffed with cheese and some spices, and definitely crunchy. It's a very nice street food. It's not expensive, pretty affordable, but end of the day, it's the experience that is the cost. So as we ascend higher deep into the hill, you see all these walls and streets. All these are histories. Back in like 1923 to 56, this area was an international zone. So it means that it's not really for like Morocco or it's not really Europe. It was a free city run by 9 countries. So here becomes like the spy capital of the world. That's why it is a place for the idlers to hang out, for the spies to convey and trade informations. But of course, right now, all these have been turned into shop house. Lots of local shops selling local stuff, lots of different clothing shops, accessories and jewelries, and the most important part, sweets. So later, we'll be hunting for some sweets later and we'll be checking them out. I promise that it will be good. After a long walk deep inside the hill, we are almost here, almost at the peak. So we will be hunting for a legendary bronze cannon that people came to look and for photos. It is right above the stairs that we'll be ascending right now. And this spot is not just famous for the cannons. Opposite there is the entire sea, and it is Europe side. It's the Spain, just 14 kilometers away. It is so near yet so far. And down there is the famous bronze cannon that we are talking about, where most people would like to came here for photo taking, for videos. Now let's keep moving on. At here, this is the place where my nose started to lead me. I'm following the smell. There is a very sweet aroma in the air. And I'm hunting for sweets, local sweets. As it's pretty late in the afternoon, I'm here for my high tea. And here we are at the sweet shop where my nose lead me. And if you have noticed, all the sweets in Morocco are very colorful. This is what I really love about here. That look at all these colors. There's lots of vibrant orange, deep green, snowy whites. Definitely what I love about Morocco. Before you start eating them, the striking color already make them so satisfying to go for it. I've made some of my orders here, and before we start, they are serving me with some local tea. They like to do this little tea show where they pour from great heights. I bet this little performance will make the tea much nicer. I'm being served with mint tea, and right now my sweets are being served. I'm going to start first with this pistachio based sweet. It's crunchy and earthy, not too sweet, pretty good and fragrance. Follow up with this white chocolate based sweet. It's a creamy Moroccan twist which I really love. And next up is this sesame based one with lots of nuts and big dates inside. It's definitely a heavyweight, it's dense and nutty. Their tea is mint based. It's a good way to wash away all the sweetness that I had just now. Now that we have enjoyed our sweets just now, let's start to get out of this area. And this is a great view to walk at. Look at the architect. Tangier here is known as the White City for a reason. Why? The entire city, as you can see here, all the architects are all white base. It's really beautiful. And you can look at how they design it. All those key-shaped windows, represents traditional Islamic design that blends perfectly with French Art Deco design from the early 90s. By interacting these two cultures, mixing them together, and that's how you get the unique Morocco's own design culture here. Technically, this area is designed to look like a mini Paris, but with a soul of the Africa side. But the fun fact is this, is Moroccans, they don't actually regard themselves as part of Africa, they regard themselves as part of Europe. Thus, if you have Moroccan friends, be careful with how you brand them, if not you might offend them. And here is the final stop. We found a coffee shop right by the beach. And I'm going to try some Moroccan coffee. As a coffee lover myself, when I visit different countries, I really love to try their coffee. So if you recall back in my videos, when my travel days in Vietnam, I've got great coffee here. There's also traditional American-based coffee in Japan. But right now here at Morocco, this coffee is something that I'm really excited about. It is as good as the Turkish coffee. And this view is definitely stunning. Drinking coffee beside the streets while you're watching the beach is a great way to spend your time. So that's the life here. If you have skipped this part, you have definitely missed out the heart of Tangier. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out more of Tangier videos.